Today I'm going to be putting a brand new Jungle 4x4 bar work onto the Ranger. Check it. So that's what's happening to me right now. I'm just going to bring you guys along for the ride. So here we go. Let's put a bar on a next gen Ranger. Alright, so I'm at the wheel guard. Look at all these clips that I've got to come out of here. Get rid of the mud flap, and then I've got to pull this little guard off, get in behind there, and pull the inner trim off, and oh man, I was like, whoa. That's a lot of clips. Technically it should come off. Nah, not yet, I missed some stuff. Okay, so now it should come off. So, whew, it's hot, sorry. I've put it up here because I need to pull all this stuff out, sensors and things like that. So that's why it's got to go up there, but look at that. Progress report. That's what we're looking at so far. Don't mind that because I haven't held it up into place except by the lines. It's hot today. Take everything off to obviously get to this point. The camera has to get relocated, so I have removed it, and there's a nice bracket that comes with these bars to hold the bottom of the grill, which is fantastic because some manufacturers don't do that and the bottom of the grill just faps about in the breeze and it's really annoying. So anyway, that's there. This is not a standard grill. I have changed it to the Raptor one. Hate on me if you want, but I was like, I want to be cool and I want to have a Raptor grill, so I bought one. Anyway, we've done that. Camera's out. Got a camera retention bracket. Look at that bad boy. So that'll go up in the bar like that, and then all you'll see is camera out the front hole. The radar system, that's up here for the time being. I've just left it there because it needs to go into a different position as well. But that's where I'm at. Let's keep going. Now it's time for mounts, and then the cradle's got to go in, and then the bar will go on. So let's go. Look, I've gone and done it again. I didn't show you the progress, but anyway, I was building the bar because obviously I had to get sensors in, the radar in, mucking around with how I wanted to route the wiring and things like that. Anyway, it's on the car. Here we go. Right, so that's version number 1 so far because I haven't finished. And it's really, really hot. So everything accessory wise is on the bar. Sensors are in, radar's in, camera's in. So everything that was on the original bumper is now in that. Then I'm going to do fog lights and indicators and all that kind of stuff as well. So I haven't done that yet. And then we should be sweet. Not bad so far. So let's keep going and I will put the rest of it together. Okay. Alright, I'm back on the Ranger and I haven't finished the bull bar because something else has showed up. Alright, this is the V-Spec Snorkel because the RMAX one is still in development and I want to put something on the car now. Hello, there you go. Anyway, so we got a Snorkel to go on. I'm going to put that on before I finish the bar and put all this stuff here back together because I've obviously got to get access inside there to get to the air box. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Sorry, I haven't finished the bull bar. We're almost there. But watch me put a snorkel on if you like. Should probably use the right tool. Here they are. T30, you reckon? Oh, yes sir. Do I have a ratchet here? No sir. Let's go find one, shall we? It's my favourite one. You use the right tool, it's so much easier. So some modifications need to be made to the box, the airbox. Safari, the Mad Dogs, got this nice little molded plastic blanking plate replacement for the genuine one. So that's the one that used to go in and came up. Obviously air goes in the front of the car, down through this little doodad into the airbox. So rather than that, check that out. Cool, eh? I'm going to jam this in that hole. Happy days, look at that. Perfection. Ta-da! There you go. Look at that. We've got intake connection. I know it's a bit dark down in there. Box is good to go. Just going to put the filter back in, lid back on. But hey, look at that.